Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to repair oil leakage in my pressure washer AQUATAK 1200 Plus. For information, I'm neither a professional nor BOSCH authorized technician. Remind you, if you're going to fix it on your own, do it at your own risk. I must declare that I have no responsibility for the damages to your machine, okay? Let's cut the threads. First, I'm going to show you the schematic diagram of the components inside this machine, in which we are going to focus on the main engine blocks in this video. And I hope this tutorial can be helpful to those who owns BOSCH water jet in particularly, as I suppose almost all the residential type of pressure washers out in the market might differ slightly in terms of engine design. As we can see, there is oil smudge all over the exterior of the pump. And this is the close-up view. Alright, let's get to work. Get ready your screwdriver and here we go. First, we need to take off the handle. Press down the latch to release the hood and push the handle left and right alternately until it completely detaches from the body. Remove 3 Phillips screws on the front and 6 more behind. Now we got the whole engine block. Turn it over and unscrew the 4 outermost Allen blocks. It will be wise to get ready a basin and place it underneath, as the remaining of the oil will be drained once you loosen the seal. If you got black slimy oil coming out, that means the oil is bad. Look for the pressure switch, which is adjoined to the pump. This is how it looks from behind. Unscrew it and you will get another 4 Phillips screw. After taking off the switch cover, gently lift off the cylinder head. Check carefully to look for any roughened surface or indentation, especially on the piston head, shaft and gasket that might warrant a replacement of the part. There are 2 small O-rings here, and inspect the inner chamber of the pump. Make sure water doesn't get inside this area. Ta-da! This is the deformed high pressure oil seal. This ring measured 7 cm in diameter. Again, we go back to the cylinder head. Make a thorough check on the 3 sealing cap. Clean the sludge inside the chamber. Take out the seal cap and inspect the inner surface. Make sure there is no crack in between. Between the cap and the cylinder, there are 2 more O-rings to check, which is extremely important in preventing the mixing of oil and water in the cylinder. After you have cleaned the seal cap, put it back to its socket. Dry the wet gasket. Double check again, make sure all the components are installed properly. Try to press on the piston to check for the integrity of the system. Normally it should be smooth when you press down and return spontaneously upon release, and there will be no cracking sound coming out from the spring. Meanwhile, you can also feel the gas of air coming out from the inlet port whenever the piston is being pushed down. If things doesn't go smoothly, apply some lubricants to the piston shaft. Replace with a new O-ring seal. I would recommend compressor oil over normal engine oil or any other lubricant. Fill the chamber until 3/4 full. More than that will cause oil spillage during reassembly. Carefully put back the cylinder head and align properly. Screw it back using Allen key, best in a crisscross direction to prevent excessive misalignment. Remember to cap back the pressure switch. After finishing the cylinder reassembly, replace the spacer, which is the Black rubber vibration suppressor. Fit the whole motor back into the housing. Readjust the fan blade if you accidentally bend some of it just now. Try to spin the blade manually to ensure it can rotate smoothly. Okay, here I almost forget the motor casing. Again, I find it easier to fit it in this way. Align the hole on the casing to the screw hole. Towards the end, you should only have 2 bolts, 6 Phillips screws, and 1 cable clamp. First, rescrew the inlet port, followed by the wire clamp. And lastly, reinstall the housing. Hooray! You make it! Congratulations! You are now officially an expert in repair.